Well, hey there everybody, welcome back for a super quick, super cheap DIY video that relates of course to the chicken coop behind me. You may have noticed the title, my $3 chicken feeder, so let's take a look at that, shall we? So first off, I guess, why is this a $3 chicken feeder? Because I used one of these larger water bottles around here. The deposit on this thing is $3. Here is a quick look at it from a distance. We'll give the ladies a minute to have their dinner here, and we'll take a closer look at it. But there we've got the wood plate from bringing down one of the spruce out front, the bottom of one of those free floral buckets. You can see the water bottle. It's not quite as tall as it was when I started. And then I've got 4 pieces of PVC pipe, each with 2 screws in them, just to kind of keep it upright. Could have done that with, branches if I'd really thought about it when I was putting wood aside. But I kind of threw this together after the camera died one day. Thought, what the heck, I'll check it out, see if it works. And they're pretty hungry. They might just stay there. So the first thing I did was I cut the bottom off of the water bottle where it was at its widest. And then a little further up where it is considerably skinnier, I cut the water bottle again, which gives me an easily removable and replaceable lid. I used a bunch of decking screws that were kicking around from other projects. Now, obviously, this makes it a bit of a risk, but I do intend to rebuild this, replace these with just short little bolts from the co-op, but haven't gotten around to getting them yet. And then, yeah, it's upside down, filled with food, obviously. I adjusted the height of my PVC stands so that at the base here, there we go. So that at the base here, I've got 3/4 of an inch to an inch gap, and a little bit of side to side, pours the food right out. It has been, I'd say 4 days since I first started with this, and I have seen on a number of occasions all 4 hens eating at it. It does have the 4 different sides, and that seems to be enough to keep these psychotic little hens a little nicer at the dinner table. When there are moments, the one that gets picked on just kind of moves one over. Everybody's got a spot. Works out well for now. When we do add a few more ladies to the situation, who knows what it'll be like then. But for now, $3 was the cost of the water bottle. Maybe took me 10 minutes to throw this thing together. And I was looking at one on Amazon, would have been like $22 plus waiting, so forget that. You need yourself a chicken feeder? Look around. Ask yourself, do I have a big old water bottle kicking around somewhere? Maybe a couple of things I can use for legs in a plate. Pretty easy to design. So yeah, figured, what the heck. It's not a build video, but it's easy enough to figure out the concept from what you see here. So I hope this has inspired somebody to save, 18, 20 bucks on a chicken feeder. Pretty sure that holds more than 6 pounds anyway. Drain. So yeah, very cheap chicken DIY. $3 later, I no longer have to feed them first thing in the morning when I let these crazy little fluffy dinos out. Wonderful. All right. Thank you for joining me here on Bear Family Farms. Have yourselves a fantastic day. Makes my life way easier. Anyway, thanks for watching.